All right, thanks. And we are here with Veronica Verde, who is the External Affairs Officer for FEMA, currently the team that's on island. Veronica, first of all, can you give us an update on the damage assessments that FEMA has been conducting?
Well, what we are doing right now is working with Guam Homeland Security and coordinating with them on any type of commodities or efforts that are needed. Today, the president made a disaster declaration for individual assistance. The individual assistance program ensures disaster survivors have timely access to a full range of authorized programs and services to maximize recovery through partner coordination with territorial government, as well as other federal agencies, non-governmental organizations, as well as the private sector. Individual household program assistance, it provides financial assistance and direct services to eligible individuals and households who have either uninsured or underinsured necessary expenses as serious needs. There are several ways that people can apply for FEMA. They could use the internet or smartphone application. Through the smartphone application, they could download the FEMA application. They could apply with FEMA through that source. We also have through the internet, www.disasterassistance.gov, where people can register on the web, or by calling our toll-free number at 1-800-621-3362. So we want individuals to be aware that there is now assistance for homeowners and renters that did sustain damages as a result of the disaster.
Yeah, that's very big news. I know a lot of people were waiting to hear about that. So how soon will they be able to avail of those sorts of assistance?
Well, if they could call, right now, and get into the system, what ends up happening, we will send a FEMA inspector to come and work with each individual that makes an application to go and review their damages. And once that happens, within anywhere between 7 to 10 days, they should be receiving a financial aid through FEMA. Another thing that we're also working with the territory is opening up what we call disaster recovery centers. They're called DRCs. They're usually open very quickly after disaster for a limited period of time, and disaster survivors can apply for assistance in person at the DRCs that are open or in near communities after disaster. They are accessible and equipped to accommodate disaster survivors who need a disability-related communication aid. Also, FEMA staff can assist with completing registration or checking their application status. And then FEMA coordinates with the territory to establish those locations.
All right, there you have it. Some very big and very welcome news. FEMA will be, the president has approved the individual assistance program from FEMA. Veronica Verde, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.